And the last one is what? The Outlook. Okay, Outlook we are using if suppose I want to send a mail to anyone. Okay, now this is, you can see, Microsoft 365, and to be honestly, it's a not freely. Okay, if we can take a Microsoft Office, it's only available for 1 month freely. After that, they are trying to charges us. Okay, now let me go to my document. So Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word right now, what Word? First application we are learning about the Word. Okay, Microsoft Word is a computer application program written by the Microsoft. Written means a coded by the Microsoft. Okay, and it is a mainly used to design a text for a presentation. Means what? If suppose I want to a presentation my text, only the text, I can play with the text more, lot of, like a coloring, underlying, italic, a different kind of font, even the lot of stuff inside of that we can learning that. Okay, now what is a Word? So Word, Microsoft Word is a word processing software. Means I can process with the word. That's why they are giving to the application name as a Word. Okay, now it's a developed by Microsoft and is a part of Microsoft Office suite. Office suite means what? They come with the different application like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook, Publisher, lot of application they have. Okay, but right now we need to only the four application is important: Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and the Outlook. Okay, now after that, what? It's enable you to create, edit, save, and professional documents like a letter and the reports also. Okay, you can make using by this Word. Okay, now check on the start button and location, and in the button of left of corner, it's depend upon, right now I have in the middle because I have the Windows 11. Okay, now forgot about this theory, I will teach you directly what exactly is this. Okay, let me erase that, erase not, let me close that. Okay, refresh my application. Now I'm going to the Word. Okay. We need to go to the search engine and type WORD Word. Word, this is the application. I can edit my Word and everything inside of that. When I am opening my Word, you can see I have the home, new, open, okay, open, account option. These tabs I have. Okay. When I am going to the new, I have the two types of template. First is blank documents, means blank one. It's nothing inside of that. And the existed one means if suppose I don't have a time, this is called a predefined templates. Means already defined by the Microsoft itself. Okay, suppose what happens sometime I don't know about the application, and I don't want to waste time to make a application, arrange and everything. So Microsoft already gave us some templates. You can go directly inside of that and you can edit that. Okay, suppose you can see I have the predefined templates. Even I can search over here what exactly the template I have, and even they are giving to the down option also. When you are going to the new, you can see you have the two types of template. First is blank documents, you need to create by your own scratch, and the second one we have the predefined. Okay, means already existed one. Okay, suppose I'm taking the existing one, or suppose I want to make a resume. See, there is already the resume they added. Just let me click over here and just create it. It's taking a time to template down. See, everything is ready. I need to only go over here and change the changes whatever I want. Getting? You can go anywhere. You can do a changes where exactly you want. You can put over here. You can change this blah 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 stuff, and you can do that. Right? Nothing I need to do. This is the predefined. Okay. But I don't want to go to the predefined. I want to do my own also. So how we can make? Let me erase that. I don't want to save this. Again going to the Word. Okay, Word, and just going to the again new is a what? Blank. We have the two types of document. What? A blank one, and the another one is what? predefined template. Okay, we have the two types of template. First is blank one and second one is predefined. Okay, when you are going to the open means previously whatever you are open plus if you suppose you want to open from a browser means like when you're clicking a browser automatically your file explorer will be open and you can check from over there also. Okay, suppose I have saved previously in download folder. You can go to the download folder and you can open that. Okay, now I don't want to open from over here. So after that, home. So home exactly is what? Home is a combination about new and open. Why I am saying home is a combination about new and open? In new what I have? Blank document and the predefined, right? Predefined templates and blank one, right? In open what I have? Previously whatever I opened, right? Let me go to the home. You can check over here what I have blank one and the predefined, right? And after that I have the previously whatever I opened, right? So that's why I am saying home is a combination about new and open. Okay, now last one, account means who are using this Microsoft account. You can see with the Microsoft Office they are giving to us some products like database access, publisher, note, after that Outlook, PowerPoint, Excel, Word. So these applications they are providing us. And right now you can see activation required. Means I didn't pay for this application. I'm using freely. Okay. When you are in organization, please I'm trying to say try to buy this product because you know sometime it will be giving to you a lot of trouble also. Means if suppose you are using crack one or pirated one, anytime it will be application corrupt and your data will be a loss. Right now I don't have any data, so it's okay for me. Okay, after that you can see over here which version I am using. See Microsoft Office Professional plus 2016. You can see which version you are using. This is the data about who is account holder and everything. Okay, now the over here option open options, right? This is all about options. Let me show the small cap about the option. I'm going to the where exactly? Let me go to the okay, quick access toolbar. Okay, quick access toolbar in the top. If suppose I want to add any extra functionality, I want to do any changes with the setting, we have the options. Options is the option for we can change the settings. Okay, suppose I want to add anything into the quick access toolbar. Suppose I want to add the cut. Okay, I'm just taking from over here, just clicking over here, and I want to add over here. Okay, just say add. You can see it's added and just say okay. When I'm clicking on okay, you can see the top of corner it will become. See, let me say okay. Is it come? Okay, and if I want to remove, go to the files again, options. Okay, go to the quick access toolbar, click over here and just say remove. Remove means it will be again going back to the my as it is position and just okay. See, it's a remove. Let's go. Now after that, before you going, let me take from new. Okay, you can go to the new and take a blank document also, or we can say in home already have the combination about new and open. You can go anywhere, it's a similar. Okay, let me take a blank document. This is my blank page. Okay, nothing it's edited. You are guys going to the edit this page. Okay, now this is all about. Now I'm going to the teach you what exactly the surface when we are opening this kind of document. Okay, now you can see the top is corner what I have quick access toolbar means quickly if suppose I want to use any activity and these activities come from where inside of this ribbon. Okay, but the quick means if suppose I'm going to the this different tab, the top one activity will be a not change. Okay, so this is the quick access toolbar. Quickly if suppose I want to use anything, this is I have the undo, redo, and the last one is what, a save button. Okay, so let me go over. This is quick access toolbar. You already know undo, redo, and save option, and only these three options are quick. We are using quickly. We don't want extra features. Okay, but if you want, you can allow them. Okay, after that you can see the in the middle we have the document one. Document when one means what? Right now my document, this is called exactly the document, right? We are using the document. This is, you can see it's my document, right? So these document are not yet saved. When I am going to the file, you can see there is an option